real-world applications of number lines. Write each word under the appropriate column. So, negative number and positive number. So, gain is positive. Loss would be negative. Debt is negative. Withdrawal is a negative, like you withdraw from an account. O is negative. Charge is positive. Below is negative. Deposit is positive. Receive a credit is positive. Zero is a positive, and profit is also positive. Okay, we're going to write an integer to represent each of the following situations. A company lost $345,000 in 2015, so that would be negative $345,000 because of the word lost. You earned $25 for dog sitting, so 25 because of the word earned. Jacob owes his dad $5, so that would be negative 5. The temperature at the sun's surface is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. So that is a positive. The temperature outside is 4 degrees below zero. So that would be negative 4. A football player lost 10 yards. So that would be negative 10. Mount Fuji's elevation is 3,776 meters above sea level. So that is a positive. Temperature is commonly measured using 2 scales, Celsius or Fahrenheit in the United States. The Fahrenheit system continues to be the accepted standard for non-scientific use. All other countries have adopted Celsius as the primary scale in use. The thermometer shows how both scales are related. So write each of the following integers. The temperature shown on the thermometer in degrees Fahrenheit. So over on the left side is Fahrenheit. So that looks like it's about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature shown on the thermometer in degrees Celsius. So if we go up, Celsius is on the right, and each one of those tick marks go up by 2. So that would be 38 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. So the freezing point is here. So Celsius, it's 0 degrees Celsius. And for Fahrenheit, if we go over, it's going to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Does the temperature 0 degrees mean the same thing on both scales? So here's 0 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Fahrenheit. So on these scales, no, 0 degrees is not the same. How can I tell that? Because 0 degrees Fahrenheit is lower on the scale. See how 0 degrees Fahrenheit is much lower? And it actually, 0 degrees Celsius equals 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you look over here, 0 degrees Fahrenheit equals approximately negative 18 degrees Celsius. The table shows the temperatures in degrees Celsius. Arrange them in order from coldest to warmest temperature. So I am going to start with the most negative number. So remember, when I think of integers, I need to think of the smallest number is to the left. So if I was to arrange these, -6 would be my smallest number. Then I would go to -2, -1, and then we have 0, so we already have 0 there. And then over here somewhere we would have the 3, the 5, and the 7. Your turn, you try it.